The development team should be able to explain to the product owner and Scrum Master how it intends to work as a self-organizing team to accomplish the sprint goal and create the anticipated increment. Choose one option. Option 1, true. Option 2, false. Option 3, it depends. The correct answer is option 1. Scrum thrives on self-organizing development teams. These teams are empowered to decide how best to achieve the sprint goal and deliver the planned product increment. However, simply having the freedom isn't enough. There's a crucial element of transparency and collaboration involved. That's why the development team explaining their plan to the product owner and Scrum Master is essential. This explanation showcases the team's understanding of the sprint goal and their chosen approach to achieve it. It fosters shared accountability, allows for early problem identification and course correction, and strengthens communication and collaboration within the team. By working openly and explaining their plan, the development team sets itself up for a successful sprint.